This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Honda CR-V. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, voice recognition, heated seats, XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, 7 intelligently positioned speakers, a leather-wrapped shift knob, front side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, a rear window defroster, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has less than 38,000 miles. In addition to the innovative engineering and quality manufacturing that is part of every Honda, this certified Honda includes an exhaustive 150 points mechanical and appearance inspection, an additional 1 year or 12,000 miles of non-powertrain equipment warranty coverage on top of what's left of the original new car warranty, and 7 years or 100,000 miles of powertrain warranty coverage. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.